radio house.
Anybody following me?
I'm relaxing by the pond.
Anybody following me?
I think we're finishing up. Can we come with you?
Yep.
Where are you going?
Red car. You are behind me.
All right.
Everest is in front.
Woo!
And
I'll lead the way. Where are we going?
Wherever you want to go.
I want to visit the dinosaurs.
It's me again.
Come visit the dinos with us. Oh, I'll get out of your way.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
I'll lead.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Buzz. Oh, I'll come with you. Whoop-a-doo.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. What?
Hi, dinos. Hi. Oh, they're pretty quiet. Do you think they're sleeping? No, they're upright.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Are we bothering you?
A bit, because we will sit eating.
Oh, well, we'll let you get back to dinner. Bye.
Bye. Wanna follow us?
Who, us?
Us.
Okay.
Behind blue car. Ah! Beep. No. Red car, you can go ahead.
Oh, excuse me.
And then Everest.
Thank you. Can I come?
Yeah.
Okay.
You are sitting in the back.
That was nice. Oh, hey guys. Mind if I join you? Sure, you can go ahead of me.
No, behind him.
Oh, Elliot says behind. Okay.
They look good.
Oh. Oh, sorry, Everest. Huh? Oh, that's okay. I have a strong vehicle. All done at Radio House. Bye. Bye.
You can go ahead of me.
Who, me? Oh,
Me. Ahead of me.
Excuse me.
Now I'm Blanco. Wait, you are the bus now, Mom.
Okay.
You are the bus.
Beep, beep. Honk. Oh, this is a slow one. Honk, honk. Ah. Where's everyone?
You.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
We're still coming. Whoa. Whoa.
What?
I think I need new snow tires. What's happening over here? Hi. Uh-oh.
Hi.
I'm blocking a crosswalk. I better back up.
Wait. He can go like there.
But now I'm blocking the road.
No, you are not. There's no other cars. Sit Popo car.
Oh,
See
yeah.
Popo car?
Huh?
See?
Bye. Huh? Who are you saying bye to? The video. Oh. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.